Well, boys and girls, what can I say? Today, gone on a bit of a road trip, a bit of a jolly. This one's a bit of a special one. I travelled 100 miles from Penzance to Barnstable, and this is what we come to see. So as you can see, the sign says VW Museum and showroom. Lovely Splitty just right there. So yeah, really stoked, really excited to get in and have a good look around and then partake of some of their victuals afterwards. Wow.
You've got your own Volkswagen.
Lovely finish on this stuff. You okay to be?
Yeah, of course, yeah. I'll just sign your ticket a minute.
It's for YouTube, so
Oh, lovely, thank you
give me a
very
bit of free publicity on my channel.
Thank you. I've just signed this ticket for you,
Yeah, okay.
just so you can go in and out throughout the day.
Lovely, thank you.
Just to let you know, everything for the museum is for sale.
Yeah.
So we sell on behalf of the owners, including all these parts here. And you're more than welcome to take pictures, and it's dog friendly as well.
Lovely.
Thank
All right,
you.
thanks very
Enjoy.
much. Cheers.
It's nice.
I'll have to leave you in charge of Molly.
Hold that a minute, I've got to put this in the bag. I can't carry it.
Wow, look at all the little cars. I might have to look through the little.
You might have to. You're just getting rid of a load. Thinking that's not really It's sickness, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the one I was telling you about. It's 35,000. Oh, that's a nice little splitty.
Oh, is it?
You want 800 for the. Oh, hang on, I'm missing this. Oh, I missed this one. Look.
We did look inside this one, huh?
So here's a beautiful Splitty. Well, I mean, I think we're going to be blown away with all the stuff in here. Hey, this is very modern interior. Look, the little car's not for sale. Jeanburg, Orange, California. Wow. This one, sure.
Yeah, I was just starting to read that.
Look at this. This is. I love these tyres. I don't know what they are. Competition racing tyres of some sort. Have you seen the exhaust on that, Sure? Like a Gatling gun.
Yeah.
It's so much brilliant stuff. Yeah. Oh, this reminds me of the adverts. The 60s adverts they used to have like this for where the family goes camping in something like this. Wow.
That's good. Yeah,
Hey?
that's good.
Little toilet tent.
Yeah.
It looks original, doesn't it, that tent?
Yeah.
Or awning, I should say, not a tent. It's not a tent.
Awning.
Wow, look at that.
Original upholstery cabinet.
Oh, I like this one. Yeah, I do like this one. This is nice, sure, because it's got the patina on it. Rusty Lee. Patina King. Oh, a Samba. That's a Samba, that's rare. Well, that one looks cheap now at 18 grand.
That one's a Samba. Look
What?
all over mine.
I thought that was one of my old ones then. I just had to check the registration. Same colour, everything. Not the same wheels. Well, you don't know which way to look first, do you? It's just amazing. That's what I was talking about.
I know.
Wow, look at the Carmen gears. Oh my days, as they say. Oh my days. What I'll have to do, I'll have to film this and then I'll have to go around and have another look and read the things. Oh, this is just bonkers. This is just bonkers, isn't it? I'll have to have this bit of a selfie spot so I can look at this later on and realise, was I actually there? Yeah, I was. So, wow. I might say wow about 1,000,000 times in this video. It is just wow. Okay. I feel like I died and gone to heaven. Look at the little old Vespa, brilliant. I love them. Yeah, single seat, big wide saddle, lovely. Oh look, a little Mini. Oh, Sirocco, add them. Mini, add them. Split, never had a split. Bays, a lot of bays. Oh,
It's the Mini here.
oh, look at this. This is Firebus. Wow. Uh-huh. Look at these. Oh my word. Beautiful little ovals. They look brand new. Can't believe the condition. It's just amazing.
Yeah, it is. Instead of just. We went to the Alfa Romeo Museum in Milan a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful Carmen gear there. Carmen gear bug. Carmen convertible Beetle. Oh, look at that. Huh? Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. We've got more Splitties. Yeah. There's a overweight hula hooper girl. Probably been eating too many burritos or whatever they eat over in Hawaii. God. It's just bonkers. These convertibles, look. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. There's some Carmen gears. My mate's mum had one of these back in the day. Happy memories. Look at that, 17,000. I had one of those once back in the day as a daily driver. Yeah. So this is the Retrohaus VW Museum. I mean, I've just had a quick spin round there because the card failed on my regular camera. So hopefully I can salvage something with this recording. And I've got some footage to show you guys. It's a long way to come for... I'm an idiot really, I usually bring a backup camera. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Wait,
Thank
bye
you.
bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Cheers. There we are. This is Bojangles Cafe. We just had a lovely burger and chips here. Yeah, very pleasant. There's Bojangles Cafe and the Volks Museum and Showroom, Barnstable. I must say, the staff were absolutely lovely. Every one of them were cheerful, had a smile on their face, willing to chat to you. Really, really nice people. Well worth a visit.